presale event this past weekend. We sold a record-breaking 1,096 early bird tickets, and we are hopeful that this could be our first sold-out year. Tickets are now available to the general public and can be purchased online or in person at select retail locations. Visit friendlycityfortune.com to learn more. Purchase your tickets before May 19th to be entered into our second early bird drawing on May 20th. Now, without further ado, let's turn on the ball machines and find out who our early bird winner will be. Please be patient, as it might take a few drawings as some unsold ticket numbers before we get to the winner. Here we go! Oh, we just have to make sure all the numbers are in the ball machine first. All right, here we go. Looking if that ticket number is sold, and it looks like that number has not been sold yet. So we will reset the ball machines now. All right, are you ready? Here we go. In a few moments, we will tell you that name. Drum roll, please. And congratulations to S. Dulaney, as in D-A-L-A-N-E-Y, S. Dulaney from Bridgewater, with winning ticket numbers 1734. You are the lucky winner of 5 free raffle tickets and $1,000 cash. We'll contact you with details this afternoon. Thank you again for supporting Harrisonburg Downtown Renaissance and our local community. We wish you all a great day.